Hiya! It's Delphine here. Hopefully, I'm not too dizzy. In case you were wondering where I'm at the Ashford International Shopping Center. Oh, yes. I'm not playing, I'm actually here for work. My work is like 5 minutes from here. The courts are just over there. And guess what? They are almost in the middle of a shopping center. There's another shopping center at the other side. Well, we have a very long break before we going. Basically because the judges have been very ill, very poorly. And we've had just few judges running the courts today. I thought that woman was going to be talking for the whole time. So I'm doing a what's in my bag video. What I've done is I've gone to the car and I've taken out my work files and I put in my food or my snacks. So I'm going to show you what's in my bag. I am doing this video with another mother. I love this song. I'm doing this video with Alice Walker London. She is a mom and a beautiful one at that, very pretty lady, and she does very good makeup. She's a working mom, but then she's very creative makeup and she makes the best wigs ever. She's got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Look at this pink bag. Oh man, it's beautiful. They've got the green one. No, it's gonna be so dirty really quickly. It's made of cloth. This is a white one. It's quite nice. I prefer the black. I don't like white bags. Oh, yellow. Wow. This is the one I like. It's very shiny and it's very nice. That red one I like, but it's too small. That's £39. It's not very nice. So now that I've shown you so many beautiful bags, I'll show you my bag and what's in my bag. They say that a girl's bag shows her personality. I think mine does. First of all, I pack my whole house into my bag. Kitchen, living room, everything. And I always provide for contingency. So sometimes I carry spare tights because the other day I went to the prison. There was a hole in my tight for some reason. I don't know who arrested my tights, but there was a hole in it. And I don't want to tell you more. Let's see my bag. Let's see my bag. What's in my bag? So that's the bag that I've taken to court today. It's the Woolrich, John Rich and Bros bag, and it's really good stuff. But it tends to pick up everything that it meets along the way. It can carry your whole house, and that's what it's doing today. So let's see what's in my bag. So that's my bag. It's the Woolrich, John Rich and Bros bag. It's really good stuff, especially if you want to use it for work. So if you look at it, it actually opens up and you can actually put a suit there. There is a hanging thing where you can hang your suit in there. And if you know, I like to carry a spare suit to work sometimes. If you checked all my chairs at work, I've got a suit everywhere on everyone's chair. Well, anyway, I can carry my suit in this if I like, especially if I'm traveling for work. Today I've traveled to Ashford International. So in there is my computer. I like to carry a laptop in a bag that is padded. I used to run to London with any bags, ones that didn't have any padding, and what I used to find was my computers just used to get destroyed really quickly. So it's very important that you have a bag that pads your computer, and that's why I always rely on my Michael Kors bag. But this might be taking the place of my Michael Kors bag, I don't know. Another thing why I like the Michael Kors bag is because when it rains, it doesn't rain into your bag. So let's see what's in the next compartment. So hope you just got this for me yesterday. If you're feeling tired or run down, or you just want to be healthy, go for vitamin B12, especially if you do not have loads of meat. But I'm not a doctor, so who am I to advise you? But then I'm gonna be carrying this in my bag because it just means that I would remember to drink it. I have a charger in my bag, and that is for my computer. I hope I picked up yes, it is the right charger. Yes, it is the right one because I used it in court this morning. And I've got a watch for running. You can check your heartbeat on there. I've got a watch which is really good for running. You can check your heartbeat on there. Other watches don't work. I'm actually wearing a watch that doesn't work. This one I got from D&G. I need to have it cleaned, but then since I had it, I don't think I've ever used it to know what the time is, which is quite ridiculous. What is the essence of a watch? So the next thing that I do have in my bag are chewing gums. Yes, I tend to carry chewing gums just basically because at the end of the day, you're speaking to a lot of people. You don't want to open your mouth and they're so scared. So I chew for that reason. Except for that, I don't like chewing gums. This is a very terrible one. It breaks your tongue. It is that hot. It is firebrand. Even my husband, who likes firebrand toothpaste, doesn't like this one. That just tells you something. I've got my iPhone charger in there. Just means that I can charge my phone because sometimes I have to rely on my phone. The government gives us free Wi-Fi. It just means that any court that I go to, I have Wi-Fi on my computer. Gone are the days when you had to take notes or anything in court. Now sometimes I even just carry my bundle of files on my computer. However, it's always good to have a backup in case your computer doesn't start or anything. And that's why I have my charger, and I do take notes. I have pens and all of that, which I have dropped in the car because I didn't want to be carrying too many things in my bag. And that strap I can use to hang a suit on my back, and that is that compartment and that compartment finished. So do you see how many compartments are in my bag? And it is nice and rich in there, the fabric. I have another compartment here. Cuckoo. Yes, so when I dropped the client's files, what I did was I just packed all of this. But this is my food, and I tend to carry it in another bag just basically because I do not want for water to spill into my bag or anything. And also when you go to courts, they always ask you to open the drinks and try them. So what I had today was one of those like kiddies kind of like apple juice that if you open you can't seal. So I always use bottles that you can seal. So I do have water. I always carry water because you don't want to be choking and then you can't even drink. They provide water at court, but I haven't been drinking anything in the gym, and I'm not trying to be drinking anything in court because in the gym they drink from or they provide a water fountain, but in courts they provide like these plastic jugs. And with the coronavirus, this is not the time when anyone wants to be trying to drink anything from anyone. So this is Upbeat, and it's a protein drink that I have, and it's 12 grams of protein. It's really good and it keeps my energy really high. I have an empty container of kombucha. If you're vegan or you eat plant-based, you will know what that is, but it has no sugar and is really good. And then I have this hand cream in my bag. It's the almond oil and sesame oil hand cream, and it's really good. It's from Douglas, my beautiful sister-in-law. She buys me very nice stuff from Douglas. He's in there for the office, so once I go to the office now, I'm gonna end up locking up. So these are my own spare of keys, and I've got an apple there that is kind of looking a bit tired, but I love my apple anyway. I normally would have them with some walnuts, but not today. And guess what I have there? I can't even begin to hide this. This is embarrassing. So let's see. Oh yes, I have got my glass case. I haven't used this in, I don't even know, but guess what? Yesterday when I was packing my stuff, it was a Sunday yesterday, so I worked the whole night. I packed the Chanel case, but guess what's in there? Ta-da! My makeup. So I'm wearing a liquid lipstick today. I'm finding I'm liking them. I just bought this from Debenhams some time ago just because I had vouchers and I didn't know what to do with them. My husband bought me very good vouchers at Christmas at the time, and I went in there and I bought liquid lipsticks, and I tell you the difference, it's so good. It stays on. The only problem that I have with liquid lipsticks, oh yeah, baby has how, Oh, look a beautiful bag. The only problem I have with liquid lipstick, sometimes it goes on my chin. I have no clue why my mouth goes to my chin. It might be when I'm drinking water, or I don't know. But this is what my makeup looks like. I don't do a lot of makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup. I don't even use brushes, so let me not even begin to lie. But I use brushes today. I had to go off the phone, but I've got the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't even use it, but well, I have these things in my bag if I have to use them. I've got mascara, I've got lipstick, I've got all of that, and I just chuck them in. I use just 3 things. I use foundation, sometimes I use lipstick, and I use mascara. That's all. You see why I have to get better, and that's why I'm so grateful for Alice Walker London, because she makes like very good makeup videos and you can learn stuff. The one thing I really want to learn is how to do my eyebrows. My gosh, they have a mind of their own, and I'm not even joking. But I'm gonna be better, for real. And sometimes I just throw my makeup in my bag and it messes up Walker London. She's a beautiful, beautiful mom. She is a businesswoman. She does beautiful wigs, and my gosh, she's so good with makeup. I'm sure when she sees my makeup, she just wants to like fix me up, but she's never said that to me anyway. I like to paint stuff, but when it comes to painting my face, I feel like less is more for me. But when it's evenly blended, like the way Alice does it, you just love it. So her name is Alice Walker London, and she does very beautiful wigs too. You should check her out. This video is in collaboration with her. Please head over to her channel and see what she's doing, and just see how beautiful this woman's hands are, how creative, how blessed she is with makeup. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and please come back and see some more. You definitely have to, because I'm gonna be making so many more videos. If that police car would just stop. Shut up talking. Ooh. Why is there a cart in the shopping? But basically, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you subscribe, I hope that you like, and I hope you enjoy Alice Walker London's video. And do not forget to leave me a comment. It's been really nice meeting you if I've never met you, but I'm gonna be making more videos. I do have a new channel, by the way, but I'm gonna be putting loads of stuff on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's pack my bags.